Okay, y'all, so I am here with Pam, and we just did a smoothie making little tutorial, and this is her first time like making a smoothie.
Yeah.
And so we're going to, so let me tell you what's in her smoothie.
You got a little bit of history while I'm making it. While I'm drinking it, you want to give a little history? Because I just was diagnosed with breast cancer. February 10th was my surgery, so I am now, as of tomorrow, 4 weeks post-op, and so I got about another 2 or 3 weeks to go. So Adejuwa brought me this beautiful smoothie that I can drink in my healing process. It's good for cancer patients, and also I'm a diabetic, so this is wonderful. Yeah. And I'm about to do my first.
Her first taste of her smoothie. Okay.
A healthy smoothie.
So let's see. Okay, so you're gonna pour it and taste it, and we're gonna see if she likes it.
If I like it nice and thick. Oh.
So we used avocados instead of bananas because of her having diabetes. And avocados are just phenomenal, great, good fat, and so. This is something that I am encouraging Pam to do like forever.
Yes.
Not just in this stage of her healing, but to actually change what she is eating in the morning. So instead of waking up eating cereal and yogurt, you're going to start your day off. What are you going to do first, though? Before you do your smoothie, what are you doing first?
Oh, at first I'm going to drink my purified water.
And what's inside of it?
It is a fresh squeezed lemon. We cut that lemon in half, and then we cut that half in half, and we squeeze the juices out, and we will be putting it into hopefully this is not tall enough, but a 32-ounce cup.
Right.
For me to drink first thing in the morning to wake up all of my
cells and your body and your liver and everything is going to wake up with that water.
To cleanse everything in my body, which is wonderful. Inflammation, which I have with the steroid healing. Hopefully with the sutures and stuff, things like that. So I'm looking forward to this. I'll tell you though, I'm not a water drinker, so this is going to be a push, but I'm going to do it.
Yes. A lot of people have challenges drinking water. And so the goal is for Pam to work up to drinking 4 of those a day, but she's starting off with 2.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what your smoothie, what you think about your smoothie.
Here we go. It actually tastes good. Oh. I taste the berries. I taste the soy milk. I never drank that before as well. So it actually tastes very good. I like this. I could definitely do this every day.
Hey, yay.
This is my breakfast routine. This is wonderful.
Yes.
I love it.
Okay, y'all. So this is what Pam is doing, and this is what I want everybody to do. Yes. Change what you eat in the morning. Change your morning routine. Yes. And so earlier today, I talked about being a blessing to someone, blessing someone. And, Pam and her family, they have been such a blessing to my family for many, many, many years. Her niece is my best friend in the whole world, my best sister friend. Yes. And they have just been so loving to my family. And I just wanted to do something for Pam. So love you, Pam. Peace.